Of all the infrastructure challenges facing the new mayor, the greatest has got to be housing. We need to deliver tens of thousands of more homes than we currently are each year if we're to meet the great need that there is in the capital.
I mean, I think everybody would agree that housing is the big challenge for London. I think the big opportunity to unlock that is transport, because if we can build transport to the growth areas successfully, then that's how we're going to unlock the big housing opportunities, 1 million homes in the opportunity areas.
There's tremendous potential to make better use of London's land, particularly in the outer boroughs. Looking at new infrastructure projects such as Crossrail 2 is essential to that.
New river crossings are key for London, particularly for the development of East London and linking north to south across the Thames.
Aviation is critical for us to compete as a global economy and a global city, and therefore, we have to get a mayor who is decisive and comes off the fence on that and actually moves London forward. We're losing time.
I think the real challenge for the next mayor is to turn rhetoric into reality. We've got to be building houses at a far greater rate than we currently are. That's tough, and it involves sorting out land planning, it involves sorting out our transport investment.
London is undoubtedly the global capital city, and it needs to retain its status as being a global capital city. So it needs to be able to attract the best talent and retain that talent as it grows and moves forward.
We have a lot of growth, and so we need to be thinking of London from both a business perspective but also a society perspective with the people that live and work within it.
It's vital that the new mayor takes sponsorship and ownership of the London Infrastructure Plan, and within that, probably one of the first steps will be to get alignment politically across London so we present ourselves with a unified voice.
I would like to see the next mayor focus on one major aspect which is complex and essential. It's sustainability, economic sustainability, environmental sustainability and social sustainability in all schemes across the capital.
We're going to be looking at how does technology change, how do we embrace technology. Let's not follow, let's lead the way. The City of London is a major international centre and needs to be seen as such.
You've got to keep development going, you've got to keep transport being extended and the capacity increased, and beyond that you've got to sell a picture of London that makes sense to nearly 9 million people, and that I think is what any new mayor would have to learn from the first two.
Crossrail has just launched its learning legacy. The next mayor has to think hard about applying the lessons that we've learned on Crossrail 1, and when we can do these and pick out these lessons, we'll bring these projects to the start line quicker, more efficiently, and for more benefit for those who live in London.